Arithmetic operators follow specific precedence rules that determine the order in which operations are performed. When multiple operators appear in an expression, those with higher precedence are executed before those with lower precedence. Binary arithmetic operators are left associative, meaning that when operators have the same precedence level, they are evaluated from left to right. You can use parentheses to change the order of evaluation imposed by operator precedence and associativity. By grouping parts of an expression with parentheses, you can ensure that specific operations are performed first, regardless of the default precedence rules.